Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1978 Ford Bronco, and this particular casting is by Matchbox and it comes from Moving Parts line of casting. So, very first thing you will notice is this classic paint job and looks really good. Blue with white. We also got the white roof here. Uh, the wheels you see on the side we have seen on so many different SUVs from Matchbox recently, especially on their moving parts line, and it kind of suits it. But again, if yeah, I guess it's not a premium line. If it's premium, I wanted different wheels on an older SUV, but it works here. Doesn't look really bad. So let's start on the driver's side. On the driver's side, you can see the detail door handle. You can also see the detail on the side of the window, the chrome. Here you've got the fuel filter cap, the turn indicators front and back, and the Bronco badge here. Apart from that, no major details on the side. Still misses on the mirrors. Let's go to the front. You can see the headlamp and the grille, but no details there. Everything is chrome. So if you're good with the paint, you can add details and it will look much better. The hood opens up and you can see the engine inside. It's painted, has got some nice details. So we try to get a close look. So good details out there. Good work, Matchbox there. On the passenger side, it's almost identical, misses out on the fuel filter cap on this side. Let's go to the back. You got the big chrome bumper, detailed tail lamp, that's a good thing. You got a Ford badge here, and obviously this is to open the door. Looks like a swinging door. This roof, again, which is white. I have seen a Bronco, but I've seen a different one, like an older different one, not this one. So I don't know if it was a truck fitted with the roof or how did it work. It was like Jeep. No, you know how on Jeep you can have a hard or soft roof. Might be like that. But yeah, overall it's a nice casting, and I think it will go well together with the other Bronco which are released by Matchbox and Hot Wheels. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.